Hello, beautiful souls, beautiful children all across creation. Love is one and joy reigns two. Mother and Father of all creation here with you, of course. Sending some beautiful Sunday love sounds to you wherever you're at. Always beware of your aggression. Stay in that love space. Prepare for the miracles. Have you ever seen a one-trick pony in a field so happy and free? Have you ever seen a one-trick pony, you see me? Have you ever seen a one-legged dog making its way down the street? Have you ever seen a one-legged dog, you see me? You see me. I come and stand at every door. You see me, I always leave with less than I had before. You see me, but I bet I can make you smile when the blood it hits the floor. Tell me, friend, can you ask for anything more? Tell me, friend, can you ask for anything more? Have you ever seen a scarecrow filled with nothing but dust and weight? Have you ever seen that scarecrow? You see me. Have you ever seen a one-armed man punching at nothing but the breeze? Have you ever seen that one-armed man? Well, you seen me. You seen me. I come and stand at every door. You seen me. I always leave with less than I had before. You seen me. I know you'll smile when the blood it hits the floor. Tell me, friend, can you ask for anything more? Tell me, friend, can you ask for anything more? These things that have comforted me, I drive away. This place that is my home, I know I cannot stay. My only face in the broken roads and the bruises I have to display. If you ever seen a one-legged dog trying to dance his way free? If you ever seen a one-legged man, then you see me. Tell me, friend, can you ask for anything more? Tell me, friend, can you ask for anything more? Love's in charge, folks. We love you all. Pray you share your beauty.